Welcome back. Now, once you have set up your Microsoft Office, you can begin to use any of your core applications online. So for example, if you go to this square and you click it, you'll see that your applications will open up. Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote. In this case, we're going to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. And what you'll notice is that we can begin to use these applications in the cloud. You'll recognize the menus. For example, there's an Insert menu, Design menu, Transitions menu, Animations menu, Review, and this mirrors the actual desktop application. What you'll note is that while you work in these applications, the applications will be auto-saved as you go. And once we've named our document, we can choose to click this file link. We can then click this Save a Copy. We can then choose to save a copy online. And then we can choose our folder in OneDrive. Once we have our folder open, we can create a new folder inside to further identify what we're saving. And then we can click Save Document. We'll then have access to work on that document through our OneDrive. And so you'll notice that this is the folder that we created. We click inside of that folder, we see our document inside. And we can do the same thing for all of our core applications. So for example, we can do that with Microsoft Word, Excel, OneNote, and as we did it in PowerPoint. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.